Hey, what's up? Lekenya Domia, Yakata ni mo ponko mienya. You don't know Stoneboy, Everlove TV. Yalem kuranwe. All right. Beep.
It is a great time here, and I'm once again at the beach. And as usual, you know, close season. I try the possible best to speak to some of the fisher folks and then understand what exactly is happening in their life about this close season. It is 21 days now, left with 10 days for them to open it for them so they can go back for fishing. And I want to ask them how exactly are they feeling as the close season is up to now. Uncle, namu uncle.
Nkoye koku agbaze.
Efu koku agbaze. Okay. Ike enye ropolola. Mana nama.
Marakui nana molema.
O uncle di.
Avogbodo Louis.
Avogbodo Louis.
Avogbodo Maoli.
Avogbodo Maoli. Akpa. I want to ask them. Uncle, o tu tofia nke kere ka bla vovo de ke ya.
Nyegba.
Leke enwo kono no me.
Enwo ro furam nami alaba ate otu o mite gomosemu. Chu togbi o botaji pa ni o mojo po aka duplola nana adodanko ku fo do ba aji ba hola. Anaba nwu ba se nami. He fia roeji mi le fota fia ro san fia agamali fia mi mama gana review okoru nwu. Afia mi bonu ba afia. Ta ni ala mi rurum alaba nyalan kura numanchi le 2024 aromema yalan kura mauna mi alaba na rororo elia kamya da kukuna amagao ekele miangu na olan kura mauna mi asadada abawe ba dototo vagara ama bo nuko de mi la fia jira anshang afuram domo yemi la chondindi anofia fia ate otu agamaliu nyarunyu avo vorito e ganye ba roe ka wami la fia jira obo mi ga roe plogo igwa troga bo hayale na afi ahamu ava ayima anugbonami kakana nye bo nye na ma ka heme mi alan kuran ba na mi aklo hohoto na oku afi haye obo mi aza na mi aze ka rororumo la ya ba mi alan kura awuchi
Yeah. Abale kana gbelebe enwo masasama majima sagomala akpa ike enyaba afi ne ba enwo masasama odongo odegbafa na mi adu ajakata ba o close season ya eva vagata o mi jagba mi ajira nwori na molu kotokwe mi afla dare grinwa mi fli agbale mo kotokwe mi afla dare grinwa mi fli dadi ebli kotokwe mi afla dare grinwa mi fli dadi na garage ga mi ala dara ka biara mu adadi close bo na season ya ba gara mu close season aba yano agbarun niti wo hama wa
nyata ba nyai mi wororo mo kaka molu e o kofela
awo mi moro molu togbo mi on to mi ago
mi on to mi wororo mo la ala ba ona mi nya kaka dole mo ba chofo na mi o
okay
na doro chofo kana rororo ele cho mi o ahamu nya goma
enyina mi we dara
na mi we dara nyi onye bo do mo ba chofo na mi o taroro mo kata na matin waso aji na mo Asoji nanama.
But let's come to you, uncle. Don't know. Aika closes na. Okavaba aw. You mate chuchuga kwa tu doremia toremia una na kwa. Aba mi ava no puta ota yo ko molu kotokuvi de karo vanami. Leka mi o mi hoy. Mi leka mi mar no gbaranwa. Leka mi agaba ngoma sasana mi aika oko molu kotokuvi vanami. Oko ami oko kparon ko macaroni sandi pleto oko kparon vanami. Komi gaba ngo sasana yo.
Oh, magleba nguru banya okovi. Pe gaka. Nyama ngula rogbo. Ngomate va de miangu. Molu kotokuvi reka amomen. Aromo motona me. Mateva tu miangu amia gagbe mi ko jiji ga ga vi o te de maro mate tu nana mota maro mote kponru mola hon nana mawagumu.
Okay. Actually he is saying that yes, the government have been able to bring some of 5 kg rice to them, but sharing it becomes a problem. They cannot able to share it among themselves. Some of them share it within a day. That is what they did, and then they go back to square one. So it is not as if government did not support them. They support them, but still, there are many and they cannot share just 5 kilo of rice among 4, 5, 10 people and then survive with it up to 30 days. So this is what he said to me. And uncle, yes, Fifi life ya. Apart from you two tona mi vo. Nana come mi magana na komo document na mi la pama ya vasaro sadi. How do you guys survive? Look at me on my fi ashima chijojima yimle ko gbon eh.
Ikoma. Anaviva na gwa kanamiva alami dogo chopa ma fifa pota na ko biga no la ga jorema. Etie ko mi no no ka nyanya la dizia mo lu ko to ko vira ka me ma tembe. Bola me ma to. Ya kaka va ko biru. Ya wo nyanya to fia mala vire via ma bara sije. Afi nyongo o to fi ko e ku nyama kata nyama ba chaka.
Apa yento a video le yeshi afi nyongo mo ni la show.
Jono ma fa.
Nyongo mo ve la show. Okay. As nyongo mo ve le yeshi a nyina nsese o ko mo lu kotoku vi 5 kilo na o be miama o mo na miama. Baba no re ma ta bangbo be ne no mo va yema look na highway. Ka Fifi life ya mi sibe gbanya nkeke blab over the kia.
Madakoye nana mole.
O tu na to ya na mi ho o tu to ba je ton lo katan ya. Yes. No tu no vide ale o tu ne mi expect na bo o. Andong ya ba vagare. Mi tende ne ma anka dungunam.
O nyata fe no tu to la mi kpona viare.
Okay.
Aka crosses na ma season anto va journal kong. E kenye ba jinya ma mi le fiala. Enye season anto.
Okay.
Kaka me o dana asaro. Vo garaba jona afi nye obara sanami ko haya mi ba kpona mi no na gbaran anyona ga kama daha ba season na jinya mo de sanami la pa jinwa ndre ma na aka hama anyan nka hanami aka onye wa tonche mi la nyamaro wala mi de su ko ro afiaro ta akutre kukua nchi ko mi no na la achian.
Okay. Ogbona actually I asked him about now that the season, the close season is here to stay. It is happening. This is the third time. The previous one, after the close season, and they've opened it for them that they should go back to fishing. Were they able to get the fishing as how they were expecting? And he says, oh yes, they've been able to get fish. But normally what happens is the time that the month that is supposed to be a bumper harvest for them, that is the exact time that they have to do the close season. So this is not helping them enough. This is not helping them enough because the very month that they are supposed to harvest in a huge quantity, that is the month that they have to close the season for them. So it is not like it is not coming, but it is because the season is already gone. That is why they don't harvest in a heavy way for them to. But what for do? He says he's not been able to go to school for that higher degree to obtain much of the degree. So he's always here. This is the only thing he can do to survive. So he's trying the possible best that things can do well so that things will go on well with them. Uncle.